How to use a liquid level relay to detect water levels to control the starting and stopping of a contactor. Taking this water supply mode as an example, let's first look at how to wire it. This is its circuit diagram. Here is the coil of the liquid level relay. And this is the normally open contact of the relay. This is the coil of the AC contactor. The live wire is connected to terminal 1 of the liquid level relay. And the neutral wire is connected to terminal 8. Terminal 2 needs to connect to the live wire from terminal 1, which is the most convenient. Then, connect a wire from terminal 3 to the contactor coil A1. And connect another wire to the neutral wire. Note that terminal 8 is connected to the neutral wire, which can be combined together. After finishing the wiring, you also need to connect 3 separate wires to the water to detect the high and low water levels, which are terminals 5, 6 and 7. Here, high, medium, and low refer to their correct positions in the water. The actual function of these 3 wires is to serve as the common terminal, low water level mark, and high water level mark, respectively. Now let's demonstrate the water supply process. Place these 3 wires into the bucket and power it on. When there is no water in the bucket, or it is below the low water level range, the liquid level relay gets powered, the contactor starts, and the water pump supplies water. As the water level continues to rise and reaches the high water level, the contactor stops supplying water. When the water is consumed, and the water level continues to drop below the low water level, the contactor starts supplying water again. This completes the process. Did you learn it?